IRIZVI. This is Roman alphabet display. Let's see what is inside. This is track side of the 14 segment display. This is the front side of the 14 segment display. Why it is calling 14 segment? Because you can see here there are 14 segments from A to N. This horizontal upper is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N. That's why it is called 14/7 display. This is the transformer. This is the circuit of sequential disco light. Here we are using only part of this circuit where there is 555 timer IC and this is 4017 IC. This is electrolytic capacitor. These are quarter watt resistors. These two diodes. This again electrolytic capacitor. Here you are seeing there are 10 transistors. Out of these 10 transistors, we are using only 6 transistors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 transistors are connected to this diode matrix ROM circuit. Here there are 6 arrows. This is 1, this is 2, then this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5 and this one is last 6. So that's why we have connected here only 6 transistors. If the number of rows are increasing, then accordingly you have to use more number of transistors. This is the back side of ROM matrix. This ROM is constructed using diode. This is the component side. This is track side. This is component side. This is track side. And this one is track side. Using this switch, we have stopped it at R. If we change this position, you will see that it will jump to the next digit. I have stopped now at Z. It will continue from Z. And this potentiometer is used to increase the speed. You are seeing. Let's study one by one all these 3, 1, 2, 3 circuits in detail. Using this circuit, you can display the name of your loved one, your lover, etc. 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 तो चलिए शुरू हो जाते हैं 1, 2, 3. These are all jumpers connected from anode to other anode. Indeed, it's a repairing work. The soldering quality is not good. So let's see how it is displaying college. C O L L E G E. Let's learn to construct circuit to display name of your loved ones using this Roman alphabet display. Alphabet you can display like this: A B C D L O V E using 14 segment display. For numbers you are using 7 segment display, and for alphabet you require this 14 segment display. This is the block diagram of Roman alphabet display circuit. At the left side is the famous stable multivibrator IC using IC 555, which is also called as a timer IC. The output from pin number 3 is given to pin number 14 of the decade counter circuit. This circuit is constructed using IC 4017. The output of this is given to diode matrix ROM. Here you can fix diodes in such a way that you can display the names of your loved one. Then output of this diode matrix ROM is finally given to 14 segment display. Here we are using common cathode type display. The output of diode matrix ROM are connected to A to N. These are the 14 numbers of the 14 segment display, and output of 4017, which are given to transistors Q0 to Q9. That output is connected to diode matrix ROM. And obviously for operation of all this you require 12 volt DC supply. For that you can construct your own 12 volt DC with 1 ampere capacity, or you can purchase ready-made 12 volt DC supply. This is the complete circuit diagram. The first one, as told earlier, it is a famous timer IC used as a stable multivibrator. Then the next one is 4017 decoder, and here loads are shown as a 10 LEDs, but instead of this we will connect transistor that we will see later on. This is again the same circuit. This is a stable multivibrator circuit. Where this 555 gives exact time delay from millisecond to hours. It is a simple oscillator circuit that gives continuous pulse, and the frequency is determined by the passive components R1, R2 and capacitor C1. Here is shown how you can connect transistor SL100 or BC107. These are all NPN type of transistors to pin number 3 to 11 of 4017. 4017 is the 16 pin IC. The output of transistors from emitter are connected to diode matrix ROM. This is the 4017 pin configuration. These are the pics from this project. On the left hand side there is a transformer. Then the blue one is the decade counter with IC555. It can be used as a sequential disco light. Then on the right hand side it is a diode matrix ROM. You are seeing the output of this decade counter is given to the input of diode matrix ROM. The input of this diode matrix ROM are depending on the number of letters. In this we are going to display a RISV where 5 letters are used, and college where there are 7 letters are used. So 5 rows of diode and 7 rows of diode are required to construct. For each word there should be different circuits. Here, output of the diode matrix ROM is given to 14 segment display from A to N. This is the same circuit. Here you are seeing only sequential decoder circuit. This is the diode matrix ROM circuit. Here for 5 letters or 7 letters you require 5 or 7 rows of diodes, and in this diodes are connected in a such a way that anodes in a row are connected together, and that is ultimately given to transistor emitter and cathode in. Cathodes are connected to common track, you can see on the opposite side, and these vertical tracks are connected to 14 segment display. You can see that this PCB is for displaying the word college. On the top side, on the right hand side, you can see C, below that OLLEGE in sequence. This is the 14 segment actual display. Here all resistors are quarter watt 680 ohms. On the left hand side is the front side, on the right hand side is the track side. You have to connect A, G, Fn, Bi and other terminals as per the connection diagram. And here all LEDs are rectangular. We are not using round. Here we are using rectangular 5 mm size. This type of 14 segment display are available in the market, where only one LED per segment is available. Here same shown on the left hand side, but the right one is actually here we constructed and used. Here you are seeing that one segment consists of either 4 LEDs or 2 LEDs. All segments used 4 LEDs in series except J and N, where only 2 LEDs are connected in series. You can say how these segments are numbered. We are going in clockwise direction A, B, C, D, E, F. Then again inside in the same clockwise direction G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. This is the main truth table that you have to design on your own of your loved ones. And designing is not a complicated one, it's a easier one. For example, for college word C, here you are seeing that for C, A, F, E, D should glow. A, F, E, D should glow, all the remaining should be off. Hence you are seeing A, D, E, F only high, remaining all are low. Similarly for O, only outer segments are glowing, means A, B, C, D, E, F are glowing. All inner are not glowing. So here you are seeing A, B, C, D, E, F are glowing, all remaining are off. In this way you can connect. Okay, so next we will see the actual video. Okay.